things you're working on, which is kind of cool. But one is I believe in reference to the vaccine. So the basically, what are the next steps for the vaccine? In a previous interview you gave, it seemed that there was some type of political instability that disrupted the study. What do you think the trials will be completed? And this is for Barrel Master. Great name. Thanks for writing in.
Yeah, no, I would say it's funny because, that's also, you're going to give you the same answer I give to like, what would you do differently if you knew what you knew now? And so, in the pandemic, we're trying to move quickly. We actually didn't expect the RNA vaccines to move as quickly as they did. So we were running our first in human phase 1 trial at the Canadian Center for Vaccinology in Halifax when the first vaccines became available, and it basically just killed our recruitment. So we got 23 people in, and recruitment just completely dried up because the AstraZeneca vaccine was available, and I think Moderna vaccine was available in Canada. And then we had enough individuals to show it was safe, and so we were looking for sites to do the phase 2, and we wanted primary immunization environment. So we wanted a population that hadn't been exposed to COVID yet. And so we found Burkina Faso and Senegal, and we opened a couple sites in Burkina Faso. And we didn't know there was going to be 2 violent coups happen during our trial, and all this political instability that made it impossible for us to get our results out. And we were fortunate that we were able to get the safety data, which is really beneficial, but we weren't able to get a full suite of data. So we're looking to bring the technology back to North America in the booster environment, and hopefully bring this vaccine to the finish line.
What do you do when a coup stops your development? I doubt there's coup insurance. Like, what do you do as a business?
No coup. Yeah. Well, no, I mean, obviously our primary concern was all the people working on the trial. We were sort of madly emailing back and forth and phoning to make sure everybody was okay. Turns out we weren't running at a large center, so everybody was safe. But it's just the havoc that it wreaked on the system there, and communication just made it impossible for us to complete that trial in a way that we were confident about the data.
Yeah. So it's like you take what you can get, make sure everyone's safe, and then kind of extract as much, and then move it to an environment that is safe. There's not like a new government, I imagine, wasn't going to be like, hey, here's some money to cover the difference. They have other things to be worrying about.
No, it was sunk cost. It was definitely a learning experience, and we did get we learned how to manufacture. We got the safety data, so I think in the end we're in a good position to move on, and that's what we're going to do.
Yeah.